In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit an electronic form. As mentioned in the previous video, how to create an e-form, you can also edit it in the same manner. So what you're going to do is open up that blue tab on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to templates, and then we can go ahead and select a form that we would like to edit. For example, we can go and edit the intake form. So to edit a form, all you're going to do is click on the pencil icon. Once you click on the edit button, it opens up the full e-form template builder where you're able to go ahead and edit any aspect of that form. You can click on sections and edit those. You can select on fields and edit or even delete them if you desire. Or you can go ahead and add any additional fields into the form that you need. Once you're done editing, you can click on the Save button, which will then resave your form. And that is how you edit an online form.